What I am chasing down right now and trying to get a closer look at is all the songbirds that are out here. There is a bunch of them. Here's a robin right here in the tree. There's a nice American robin. Look at this beautiful flowering tree. Could be a dogwood tree. More than likely it is. So right down there, right over there, can't get that close to him. There's a bunch of goldfinches out here, and there is a lot of them. And what's really neat about these birds is they're called goldfinches. Oh, you can see one right there in the grass right there. You see them all flying around. The little white blip that you see going across the screen, those are males and females goldfinches. Oh, back there in the back is a red-winged blackbird. Right there in the center of the screen, that's a red-winged blackbird. I've seen some Rusty's blackbirds out here. This appears to be some kind of canal area or something. And there's a little bit of water in there, so there's some cattails growing in there. There goes a female goldfinch. Actually, no, that is either a viero or a flycatcher. Probably a yellow flycatcher. And anyways, what I was saying about the goldfinches is the goldfinches aren't really gold. They're more of like a fluorescent yellow in color. They're about as bright in color as one of these little wild dandelions that are on the floor. They're a bright, 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 bright yellow. Brighter than these dandelions. Real pretty color. And the geese are still here. They're over there. So you've got a variety of birds that are out here in the wooded area back here. There's some Rusty's blackbirds over there. So you got rusty blackbirds. You've got the American robin, some goldfinches, some yellow-breasted vieros or yellow-breasted flycatchers. And there goes a mallard duck. Nice little, it's a little bit wet out here because of the rain, so it's like a little boggy area. Perfect for these birds to get some food and forage because it's wet and it's heavily wooded. They can hide and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off, and we'll talk to y'all later.